It's Collector.co and Azan. Say hi, Azan.
Hi, Azan.
Today we're going to open up a surprise for you. Azan, can you go ahead and open it up?
Yeah.
A black box? What is that?
It's a box.
Maybe we should turn it this way.
I wonder how we open it.
Okay. You ready, Azan?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Open it. Open it.
Eggs and Hot Wheel cars.
Eggs and Hot Wheel cars. Can you pick it up?
And what is this? Wow, what is this?
Oh,
A
look
plate
at
of...
those Hot Wheels cars.
Okay. Azan,
And there's
can
another
you
one.
can you pick up your egg? It's in a nest. Did you see the bird's nest? It was in a real nest.
Yeah. There's another Hot Wheel car.
Okay, let's open up the eggs, just like Disney Collector.
Take off the tape.
Oh,
Let's
that's
take
Hot
off the
Wheels.
tape.
Hot Wheel car.
Hot Wheel car.
Now let's open
No.
the Hot Wheel car
There's
again.
some. These have something inside. What's inside?
Wow, another Hot Wheel car.
Oh wow. Okay, let mommy show the camera for each one that you open.
Now let's take out this Hot Wheel car. Wow. Wow, look at this Hot Wheel car.
Let me see, Azan. A police one.
Yeah,
Very
let's
cool.
Take out this one.
Okay.
Yummy,
Oh my
yummy.
goodness. A fruit roll-up. Organic.
Let's see what is this.
Organic from
Wow,
Trader Joe's.
here's another one.
What's that one, Azan?
It's a fruit roll again.
Shh. Another one. This is banana and apples. Another fruit roll-up.
Let's see what is this.
Wild berries.
Let's see what is this one.
Okay.
Wow, another fruit roll-up.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see what is this one. Another Hot Wheel car.
Can I see? Can I show the camera?
Wow. Let's see what is this one. Another fruit roll-up.
Wow.
Let's see what is this one. Oh, another Hot Wheel car.
Whoa, is this a Lexus?
That's a nice.
Yeah, let's see what is this one. Another Hot Wheel
Or a
car.
Nissan?
Here's
You
another
guys,
Hot Wheel
it's a
car.
Nissan Maxima.
Ooh, then we're gonna open these Hot Wheel cars.
There's more.
Here's a yellow one.
Wow. Thank you for showing the camera.
That's right.
Thank you.
Let's see what's this Hot Wheel car. A blue Hot Wheel car.
This is his favorite.
Is that your favorite?
Yes, number 6.
Number
about the
6?
I'm sorry, you're cold.
Can you show everybody number
Look
6?
at this Hot Wheel cars.
Okay, everybody, there you have it. There's all our eggs and all of it. So what we got here today was a package of adventure wheels,
Hot Wheel.
6 different cars, includes 2 trucks and 4 race cars. And then we got
You want to open it?
5 fruit roll-ups from Trader Joe's,
They're cars.
organic.
Look at
And
these cars.
we're going to show you all the cars now.
And here. This part is not finished. Yeah, pardon.
Oh.
Oh, Oh, wow.
2 trucks.
Oh, that's a truck.
Trucks. And let me pull that out.
You can do it this way now.
Oh, we have a Lamborghini. Wow.
My favorite.
And a Corvette, you guys.
And a Jeep and a Toyota.
Oh, and this one's just, I don't know what that is, but it's really cool. It's got flames, like Hot Wheels.
And what is this one?
And this looks like a
You
truck.
want to put the egg bag in the nest?
It's a Ford.
Yeah.
This is a Ford. So let's line up all the cars so
And
everyone
which
can
one is
see.
this one? Is this Lamborghini?
Hold on. We want to line up all the cars so everyone can see.
That one is Lamborghini.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This one looks like a bee. All right, Azan, now do you want to take all your cars and put them on the racetrack?
Yeah.
Come on, let's take them. Put them on the racetrack.
I'm wondering that everybody's gonna get racing. Everybody's gonna get racing. Everybody's gonna get racing.
Everybody's going to get racing?
Yep.
Okay. So let's line them up so they can go. This is the stop sign here.
I can be this racing guy.
Mm-hmm.
No, I can be this.
Oh, is that number 6?
Yep.
Oh, let's see. I'm going to race you with the Lamborghini. Ready? On your marks. Put number 6. Put number 6. Get set.
Go!
Go! Whoa!
No, that's a
I won. Thank you for watching Collector.co. Say bye, Azan.